Hey guys. Today we are going to see what is the deck officer's responsibility when it comes time to go to the mooring station. If this is your first time, the algorithm of actions shown in this video will give you a general idea of mooring operations so you don't get lost. If you are an experienced officer, you can compare and share your thoughts. So, the standby crew is announced. You get a call saying something like, 20 minutes standby mooring station, or 20 minutes to the tugs. All this means is that within 20 minutes you should be at your mooring station forward or aft as assigned, ready for mooring operations. So, you put on your protective coveralls, safety shoes, safety helmet, gloves and take your UHF radio. Make sure the radio is fully charged. Why this is important is because your primary duty as a deck officer during mooring is to monitor activities in your area and report progress to the bridge. Depending on the size of the vessel and the number of crew assigned to your station, you may be involved in preparing mooring lines, picking up tug lines, sending mooring lines ashore, etc. But if conditions permit, and you have enough professional ratings with you, you should avoid all these activities. Your duty is to monitor the situation and report to the bridge. Okay. First, your mooring actions will most likely begin with securing the tug. The captain will tell you whether you need to prepare a ship's line or it will be the tug line that you should pick up and where on the vessel you should secure it. You should inform your mooring crew and ensure that everything is ready for the tug line, like appropriate heaving line, capstan or mooring winch in good working order. Everyone wearing protective clothing. Although there is usually a plan of mooring arrangements on the bridge, the master may ask you, and you should report to the bridge, what is the safe working load of the bollard intended to be used for towing. So, the location is confirmed and you are ready to throw the heaving line to the tugboat. But even now there may be reasons for delay. If the weather is windy and the tug does not get close enough, you can make several attempts to get the line to the tug. If this takes a long time, it should be reported to the bridge. Perhaps the captain will solve the problem with the pilot and the tug. Once the heaving line is secured to the tug line, and you start picking up the tug line, you must also report to the bridge. You should now monitor the process. Check that your crew is in a safe place and report to the bridge if there are reasons for delay. For example, the tug line is very heavy and there is not enough capstan power to lift it quickly or at all. Or the heaving line may break and you have to do it all over again. Okay, normally if conditions are good, securing the tug is not a problem. You send the heaving line, pick up the tug line, secure it to the bollard, report to the bridge that the tug made fast, report location and the safe working load of the bollard, report the name of the tug if required. The captain says, "Well done, guys. Please proceed to the stations to get everything ready for arrival." That's what we're going to talk about in the next part. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.